Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Splunk for investigating suspicious activity step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for your Splunk instance. Press the Enter key to load the Splunk login page. Locate the username field on the page. Click on the username field and enter your username. Next, find the password field below the username field. Click on the password field and input your password. Double-check that your username and password are entered correctly. Look for the Login button, usually labeled as Login. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait for the Splunk dashboard to load. Once the dashboard appears, familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the search bar, typically located at the top. To investigate suspicious activity, input relevant search queries. You can use keywords specific to the suspicious activity you want to investigate. Press the Enter key to execute your search. Review the search results displayed on the screen. Use filters on the side to narrow down your results if necessary. Analyze the logs and events highlighted in your search results. Take notes on any suspicious patterns or anomalies you may discover. If needed, export the results for further analysis. Close any unnecessary tabs to maintain focus on your investigation. Log out of Splunk when you finish your session to ensure security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.